Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today is day 68 of my English speaking challenge, and today I'm going to talk about one thing I want to change this year. So, this year, my plan is to change myself entirely. Like, I want to restart my life. You can say that I want to change my whole body, everything like mindset, my body, personality, communication, everything I want to change this year. For changing everything, I have to do something. For that, I take a challenge for English speaking journey. In this journey, I am improving my English communication day by day so that my communication is becoming good, and when my communication is good, in meantime, during my practice, some my body language, my facial expression, and how to speak, these things are also getting cleared or improved. In this way, one or two things is improved. After that, I look into my personality, like my body. Right now, I am thin. After some time, I will take another challenge for building my body. For that, within 2 or 3 days, I am going to take a challenge for yoga and meditation, so that I can improve myself. Yoga is helping in to change my body, and meditation is going to help me in change my mindset. Because of both, I am doing at same time for approx 15 to 20 minutes or 10 to 15 minutes, maybe depends on my time. But uh, after taking challenge, I will definitely do these things for my changing myself, or change my body, change my mindset. When I change these things, after that I will try to improve my personality, like how to walk, how to talk, and how to stand in front of other, how to walk in public spaces, like that. I also want to improve one one thing, that my hairstyle. Sometimes my hairstyle is random. I I did not think sometimes that is this hairstyle is fit on me. That's why I think when I get at like the full body, or my body get improved, then I try to choose a hairstyle that will suit on my body. And if I tell you about my current situation, then I can say that my current situation is very bad. Like I already take a challenge for English communication, and I practice only that time when I am recording my video. Only that's it. Because of laziness, I do too much procrastination, that I will do after some time. I will do after some time. In this way, my whole day goes waste and my time is waste. But still, I did not improve anything. But uh, I feel happy with one thing, that I practice at least sometimes daily for improving myself. While recording, it's okay, but I practice this, it is very good. And sometimes I feel demotivated, and also sometimes feels I have to quit this challenge because I am not improving. That's why I think I have to improve all these parts also. So um, now I can say that to why I started my this journey and why I'm going to start take a new challenge. So now you understand whole thing. For changing myself, I started this challenge and also I am going to take another challenge so that I can change my mindset, change my body, change my personality, like change my overall whole thing. And I want to become a better version of me. One thing is also that if I got these things or I can, if I achieve these things, then I will say that yes, I follow this method to restart my life, change my mindset, change my communication, change my personality. After that, I will tell that anyone to do this or follow these steps to grow in this field, and so that people get inspired from me. And if someone is lagging to talk in English, and they, if might be they watch my videos, then they feel yes, every people doesn't have the skill to speak, but if you try to speak and if you dedicated to your journey, then you will speak also. And if you get better communication from your past days, right now you can see that some improvement on me. And I can also see my improvement in after like uh, before with 2 or 3 videos I am taking too much filler words, but I in this video I also use some filler words, but not more than previous one. So that thing I am improving, because of that I noticed that I use too many filler words like these words are like a filler words. So I use these terms very frequently. So I have to overcome these also. So for that, I take a challenge and I will complete my challenge. And this is my English journey for better my communication. And another challenge I will going to take for change my entire life. And if you want to change your life, change your communication, then you can also take a challenge and practice daily. You will get your and you will get succeed. So that's it for today, guys. See you in next videos.